Miss K, do you have any idea what's your hair looks like under microscope?
No.
This is your hair. This is our hair under microscope. This one is a healthy hair.
Oh.
Okay. And this one, under microscope, you can see there's like is a fish scale. That's the skin of our hair. So, everything na harmful, pwede siyang pumasok when it's open. So, to prevent that, we can use yung Fora product namin. This one is the natural. Yan yung magandang hair. This one naman, yung nag-under na siya ng chemical or any ganyan na siya. And this one is in damage.
Oh.
Ganyan na ang itsura. Pag dry na dry, ganyan na ang itsura ng hair natin. So, to prevent that, kailangan we use Fora product sa bahay to maintain.
Oh.
To help yung hair mo mag-regain dun sa dating texture and condition. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Miss K. This is what I'm telling you about kanina before we start. This is our line of product, home care product, which is, the name is Fora. Okay? So here, makikita mo, there's two kinds of shampoo, which is yung anti-yellow and sulfate-free. The anti-yellow is for the color, pero you don't need it naman kasi you don't have highlights or hindi naman light yung color mo. What you need is this one, yung sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. This will be your regular shampoo. It means parang pwede mo siyang gamitin every day para hindi masyadong harmful sa buhok. Not unlike the regular shampoo talaga na medyo nakaka-dry ng hair every time na you use mo siya. And syempre, we have these two kinds of treatment. Yung 11-in-1, which is leave-on. After you dry your hair or damp hair siya, pwede mo siyang ilagay, no need to rinse. Style as usual. The other one is yung hair mask. Siya yung home care treatment mo talaga. As support dun sa ginawa nating treatment here sa salon. So, all you have to do, after shampoo, lagay mo siya sa hair, para conditioner, then ibabad mo siya 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. And, eto, syempre, si Marula oil, finishing oil siya. And, this one is a DIY for your mom, pwede siguro. Kasi, wala siyang time magsalon, meron tayong color na pwede siya na lang gumawa. This was a complete package. Okay? I hope you tried this our line of product para mas lalo nating maano yung hair mo, maalagaan. Okay? Thank you, Miss K!
Thank you.